What's going on, everybody? Zane here, back with another video. For this one, we're going to go over question number 88, which is the merge sorted array question on Leetcode. So we're given two arrays, and we're given the length of those arrays, denoted by int m and int n. Our task is to sort these two arrays, and we're sorting them in place, so we're not actually returning any values, which is why this function is a void function. So let me just quickly scan through this question where it says the final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead stored inside the array nums1. This is very important. So we're basically doing something to nums1 in order to merge the two numbers or the two number arrays. So jumping straight to an example, if we take a look at something like nums1 equals 1, 2, 3, and then zeros, 3 zeros, it says here that m equals 3 and nums2 is n equals 3 as well. So what we're doing is we're taking just the last portion of this nums array and inserting the nums2 array. But at the same time, we're also going to be sorting them. So this one's actually quite simple. What we could do is we can loop through starting at the mth index. Now, the reason we're doing that is because m denotes the length of or the number of numbers in the nums1 array. So by starting at the mth index, we're essentially telling it, okay, we want to loop through, but we only care about the numbers at the end of the nums1 array. So we'll say int I equals m, I is less than nums1.length, I++. Now we're going to need some sort of placeholder value, and the reason for that is because we're starting essentially over here. So for every value here, we're inserting something. And what are we inserting exactly? Well, at this particular index, we're going to insert the first value of nums2. So nums2, first value. But we don't want it to be just the first value. We want it to be all of the values in order. So what we'll do is we'll create some placeholder value called index. And now we can say nums at I is then going to equal nums2 at the index. And since we need to also increment the index once we've used it, we need to go into the next. We'll just say index++. And let's run this. Looks like there's an error. Looks like I'm missing an S. Run this. Compiler. Okay. Cannot find symbol. Nums at I. Okay. Nums at I equals. There we go. So we've got the wrong answer here, and this is fine. But let's take a look at the output. So we actually have all the numbers that we need. The expected output, though, is going to be a little different because it's actually sorted. So we can just do a quick one-line code. We'll say arrays.sort nums1. Now when we run this, it will sort everything that we need, and it'll work for all cases. So that's it for this one. If you guys have any questions, comments, feedback, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe button, show me some love, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.